moving from the home into the machine that controls the livelihood of the masses. Audit 008 investigates the algorithmic workforce, the shift in 2026 where AI doesn't just assist your job, it manages, evaluates, and terminates based on efficiency math. You didn't see the person who fired you. You didn't even get a phone call. You received a notification that your alignment score dropped below the 92nd percentile and your access was revoked instantly. In April 2026, the middle manager is extinct. They've been replaced by efficiency agents, invisible algorithms that track your keystroke cadence, the sentiment of your Slack messages, and your idle time to output ratio. You aren't working for a company anymore. You are working for a mathematical equation, and the equation doesn't care if your child is sick. Welcome back to System Overload. This is Audit 008, the Ghost Colleague. Today, we investigate the rise of the algorithmic workforce and the end of human professional agency. In the gallery, my series, The Efficiency Grid, features office spaces that look like high-end prisons. In 2026, the open office has been replaced by the sensor-mapped cubicle. We're seeing a new phenomenon, sentiment mining. AI agents now analyze the micro-expressions on your face during Zoom calls. If you look disengaged, your retention risk score spikes. If you type too slowly on a Monday morning, the system optimizes your workload by assigning you more repetitive tasks. You are being shaped into a component of the machine, and any human friction, any sign of personality or fatigue, is flagged as a bug in the system. The 2026 Value Audit. The April 2026 corporate audits show that ghost colleagues, AI bots disguised as coworkers, are now used to stress test employee loyalty. They send you messages to see if you'll complain about the boss. They track who you eat lunch with. The goal isn't just productivity, it's total alignment. We are trading our professional intuition for algorithmic safety. If the machine cannot predict your output with 99.9% accuracy, you are considered a data gap. And in the 2026 workforce, a data gap is a vacancy. How do we survive the ghost colleague? We practice strategic inefficiency. Be unpredictable. Inject human noise into your workflows. In the gallery, I'm launching the Unoptimized Studio series, architectural renders of workspaces designed for chaos, messy thought, and zero sensors. We need to reclaim the right to be inefficient, because efficiency is just another word for replaceable. This concludes Audit 008. If you've ever been managed by a metric, type unaligned in the comments. Let's break the grid. Subscribe to System Overload. Stay human. I'll see you in the next log.